Welcome to Salon G2. Let's explore the app's navigation. The main screen is Service Sales. You'll see 4 tabs at the top: Sales, Orders, Waitlist, and Calendar. The Sales tab is your point of sale. It has service categories on top, staff on the left, services in the middle, and the order card on the right. Tap the Orders tab to view today's completed and pending orders. The Waitlist tab shows customers waiting for service, filtered by status. The Calendar tab shows the appointment schedule for all technicians. Now tap the menu icon in the top left to open the navigation drawer. The drawer shows all available sections: service sales, gift cards, memberships, technician staff, operation reports, customer reports, and utilities. You can tap any section to navigate to it. Let's close the drawer for now. That covers the basic navigation. Use the top tabs for daily operations and the drawer for management features.